is all about tourism and hospitality organization. First is tourism organization. Ang tourism organization kibali sila ang mag-create og daghan interest sa atong industriya para sa ka business nga dapat involved sa ilahang industriya. Next is the United Nations World Tourism Organization. Kibali ang ilang ginabuhat is mag-create og market or knowledge o mag-promote og mga sustainable policies para sa atong industriya like economic growth and knowledge and policies and etc. Next is there are three classic members. First is full members. Kibali is a person or organization that is part of a group or a full member of participate in it. The second is the associated members. Is a member of a club organization with limited rights and privilege of subordinate status. Third is affiliate members can be a part of variety organization. Kibali ang affiliate member dapat na sila usa ka variety nga dapat naka-organize kung naay connection sa atuang industriya. Next is the International Civil Aviation Organization. Kibali sila ang mag-facilitate sa usa ka civil transport na dapat safe ug secured ang nilang ginabuhat para pag balhin sa lain tao diri sa atong industriya is dapat safety ilang International Air Transport Association or IATA. The same with contract civil aviation organization magkuan sila sa airline ilang trabaho, but ang International Air Transport Association is ilang mission is mag-represent, mag-lead o mag-serve sa airline sa industriya nga dapat mapakita nila nga dapat makasabot sila sa ilang pag-transport sa industriya, which is ilang decision nga mo increase ilang awareness benefits para sa aviation infrastructure sa national and global economy. Next is World Travel and Tourism Council or WTTC. Sila ang mag-inform sa government about ways how to implement the policies nga dapat ensure ang sa ka-business sa environment na mao ni ilang di kandag nga growth sa atong tourism. In short, sila ang magplano, mag-invest ng appropriate infrastructure para maka-create og tax o regime sa ginaalaw nila ang private sector sa isa ka competitive. Next is regional organization. Kibali usa sila ka grupo nga dapat they work together para mag-promote sa usa ka common goal in a specific region. Next is the organizational or economic and cooperation and development or OECD, which is sila ang mag-provide sa usa ka government na dapat they prove na they have experience na mag-answer sa common nga challenges o i-identify ang good practices and to help develop high standard for sa ato industry. Mga mauni ang policies nga ilang buhaton.
Good afternoon, sir. I am William D. Brigoli. I will report to my topic, Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation. Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation is to promote trade instrument and economic growth. The purpose of Asia Pacific Economic is to build a harmonious Asia Pacific community by promoting and trade and investment and encouraging economic cooperation. And included economies is Australia, Brunei, Jerusalem, Canada, China, Hong Kong, and Indonesia, and Japan, and others countries. Next is the Organization of American States. The Organization of American States is an international organization founded on April 30, 1948, and is to promote cooperation among its member states within the America. The purpose of Organization of America is to promote representation, democracy, and to ensure the peaceful settlement. Next is Roles National Organization and Tourism. Roles National Organization and Tourism is to facilitate the development and marketing of a destination, administer research, and in some cases industry, training, and regulations. The role of national organization is to create jobs, strengthen and local economies, and contributes local infrastructure development. Next, National Tourism Office. National Tourism Office is the official government sources, data, and analysis on international travel, and assist in establishing and updating policy and affects the travel and tourism industry. Next is Department of Tourism in the Philippines. Department Tourism of the Philippines is to promote and develop tourism and major socio-economic activity to promote foreign currencies and local employment, and to spread the benefits of tourism, and to separate, assistant, and cooperate. Next is Tourism Infrastructure and Enterprises. Tourism infrastructure and enterprises is to contribute to national tourism development goals and showcase Philippine culture by designate, supervising, and regulating sustainable tourism. Stop na ilo. Pause na ilo. Next is Tourism Promotion Board. The Tourism Promotion Board, formerly Philippine Convention and Visitors Corporation, is a corporate body created under RA number 9593, which shall have an authorized capital of 250 million fully subscribed by the national government. It's under the supervision of the Department of Tourism Secretary and attached to the DOT for purpose of program and policies coordinations. Bali na siya promote ini siya na RA. Yawa na mo na yun. Ayan. Sama ni siya kuan sa government RA 9593. Damo siya kuan Tourism Promotion Board. Next is Organization of the Administration. Administration shall be directed by a board of administrators consisting of Minister of Human Settlements as a chairman and members of Mayor of the City of Manila, the executive director of the National Historical Institute, the administrator, and such persons as the president may designate. Its executive officer shall be administrator, who shall have the same qualification, privilege, and rank of deputy minister. Next is transfer of administration properties. The build and lands owned by the national government administered by the bureaus of building and real property management and by other office and agencies of national government and the City of Manila.
Good day, sir. I'm the third reporter of Group 4. The first one is operation of facilities. The administration may operate museum, art galleries, theater, and other cultural or educational facilities. Na inisiyak is ang inisiya ang administration ng may power na bita para makamanage or operate ng mga various cultural or educational location na dili na bitaw amin siya dili na dili na kailangan na mo build na new places na para makatrabaho with the existing work with the existing government run institution like national museum na pwede siya himuan ng mga activities bitaw. Tapos ang second is in commercial activities. Amoy na siya ang administration na maka-start or maka-partner with businesses na maka-set up shop ng mga shopping areas or ng other commercial spaces, especially in sa Intramuros. Amin siya mga historic part na nakakuha sa mga historic part ng Manila na pwede nimo baligyaan, rentahan, or i-manage na mga places na besides sa mga shopping area, pwede sabihin siya, pwede sa maka-organize ang mga tour guide or another tourism related services na makahimo na mas attractive para sa mga bisita or mga turista. Tapos in building modification is administration na believes na sa certain building need nimo siya permanently update ang iya design kay required din siya ng mga required din siya ng owners na para kuno may changes ang place na para if ang mga tourist na mingkadto na is mobalik pa next time bago na sa nila views or bago na sa nila design na makita. Tas in road maintenance is administration gets the budget to maintain roads in the Intramuros area. They can handle the maintenance, work themselves or work with others like in mga Department of Public Work and Highways ng City of Manila or private companies as long as na gipalo nila ang mga rules ng government kay need sa ni tapos traffic management is an administration na has the power to control na mga vehicles na pwede na maka-enter in a place or ang mga public transportation na pwede makasud sa na places kibali na mga kuanan ng mga turista na need pa kibali na mga need pa na mga na mga transportation na approval gikan sa administration. Tas in construction work is siya administration na can take on construction project or repairs either by itself or by collaborating with government departments like in mga DPWH or mga Department of Transportation na mga construction na mo trabaho na mopalo sa government kibali ng mga rules bitaw. Tas in real property tax discount is in administration can offer property tax discount for building in Intramuros. This is done in consultation with the Department of Finance. Kibali in real property tax discount is amay na siya mga property tax discount na mga gakuan sa mga new business bitaw na mga magkuan ng mga tax. Kibali ini siya na discount is pwede da ka mo apply nan ini basta nimo building is bag-o or mga bag-o renovate na mga mimpalo sa mga specific design rules. Tapos in investment insensitive is amay ni siya ang administration na maka-offer ng benefits sa mga businesses na makasit up sa inikibali na places or in na tourist spot like mga kuan mga gikan na bitaw ini siya na investment initiatives nga gi-consult na ini siya sa Department of Trade and Industry or the Department of Tourism na ini ko na siya depende din siya sa imo type na imo business na kuan pwede din siya ma-apply depende sa businesses kibali. Tapos in domestic and foreign loans, in administration is allowed to borrow money from both local and international lenders. So kibali in domestic and foreign loans, pwede din siya mo pwede kibali ko nga nimo borrow ng mga kwarta or ng mga imo kailangan para sa imo business or sa imo mga kinahanglanon. Tapos in grants or contribution is amoy ni siya administration is authorized to accept and receive grants or contribution from private parties to obligate and disburse in such manner as the authority may, in the exercise of some discretion, deem best to accelerate the restoration or enhance the maintenance of historical facility in intramurals. Kibali amin ni siya mga mo kuan pwede da ini amin din siya pwede mo accept or mo receive ng mga grants or ng mga contribution. That's all. Thank you.
I'm reporter Kate Mayan Silintara. So, I will continue the reporting. The National Parks Development Committee. The National Park Development Committee or NPDC is a government agency that is tasked to oversee national parks in the Philippines. So, the National Park Development Committee or NPDC is a government group in the Philippines na ang trabaho is taking care of the country's national parks. It was created mainly to improve and keep national parks in good condition. So, amurag kuan sila yung sila maghinluay, sila magpadayo siyon ato sa country, sila ato national park, sila magpadayaw para para ang mga tao ganahan sa mukha nakahinlo, dayaw sa state sab sila. So amo ni kabalian murag ang trabaho ng National Park Development Committee sila maghinluay, magpadayaw para pag may mukha na ng mga tao ganahan magbalik-balik kay syempre limpyo, dayaw gud siya. So amo ni ila murag areas na ila responsibility hinluan, pagwapahon, pa-improvon, amo inian Rizal Park, Coco Park, Park Olivia, di Salamanca, Mabini sa og Pook in Maria Makiling Park og Burham Park. So amo ini ila mga areas na kinahanglan na hinluan permi, padayawon kay para mga tao gana magbalik-balik. So kung may mga event murag safe kay hinluan sa nila. So para ganahan sa mga tao magtanaw hinluan nila permi para mag-improve sab kibalian ko antes dayaw sib siya tanan kay hinlo ta state isab. The next one is the Nayong Filipino Foundation or NPF. The Nayong Filipino Foundation was attached to the DOT in 1991 by virtue of EO number 47 Pasay Park Operation. The Nayong Filipino Foundation or NPF became part of the Development of Tourism or DOT in 1991 through its Executive Order number 497. And the Filipino Nayong Park in Pasay City mihunong siya nan 2002 tapos nan 2006 yaoy bag-o na park na gitawag na Nayong Filipino Clark Expo. Ga-open sila sa Clark Expo site with NPA managing and operating sila ang ga-operate kibali. The government channel PTV channel for also partnered with NPA for this project. Murag mintabang ang government channel PTV Channel 4, nakig-partner sila sa NPF para sa ini na project ibalik murag para makita murag ang bag-o na open na park na gitawag na Clark Expo. The next one is Duty Free Philippines Corporation at DFPC. The DFPC shall be the body corporate to operate the duty and tax-free merchandising system in the Philippines to augment the service facilities for tourists and generate foreign exchange and revenue for the government as established by the Department under Exclusive Order Number 46. To the Duty-Free Philippines Corporation or DFPC is a government-owned company that runs duty-free stores in the Philippines. So these stores sell products without tax for travelers. DFPC was created to improve services for tourists and also to help the government earn foreign money and revenue. So, ini ang set up by the Department of Tourism under Executive Order Number 46.
The first one is Professional Tourism and Hospitality Organization. Between reputable professional tourism organizations are established to bridge the teen government and industry ion have begun to promote a very favorable tourism climate. Some of these organizations are described below. The next is the United States Travel Data Center. The United States Travel Data Center is a non-profit organization dedicated to improving travel and tourism statistics. Founded by grant and membership feel it conduct research and publishes study like a national travel survey and impact of travel on state economies to provide insight into the USA travel industry. And the United States Travel Data Center is is a non-profit is an organization to para mo improve nila travel tourism statistic og nahanap sa binini grant og aniya mga membership to face mag-conduct sila ng research sa publishes study like sa national travel survey and sa mga impact sa pag-travel sa state economies og nag-provide sab sila ng insight para sa USA travel industry. The next is Travel and Tourism Research Association. The Travel and Tourism Research Association is dedicated to advancing travel research. They achieve this through comprehensive reports and journal, all focus on sharing the latest development and methodologies in travel research. Also, promote tourism education and support communication within the field. And nga di sa Travel and Tourism Research Association is dedicate sila to para mag-advance ng pag-travel ng mga research og na-achieve sab nila ang comprehensive sa mga report and sa journal sa tanan og naga-focus sab ini sila sa pag-sharing ng mga latest development og methodologies in travel research. And also ga-promote sab sila sa tourism education og nag-support sab sa communication within the field.
The general membership is composed of regular associate, allied and affiliate members admitted to the membership by the Board of Trustees. The Hotel and Restaurant Association of the Philippines, HREP. The Hotel and Restaurant Association of the Philippines was founded on September 12, 1952 by executives from the leading hotels and restaurants in Manila. Its main objective is to upgrade the management skill on personnel services to maintain proper standards at home as well as keep abreast with progressive trends abroad. Union of Filipino Tourism Educators. Educators of colleges and universities of TECCU is bona fide organization of tourism education and universities or TECCU and duly registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission on January 9, 1992. The Council of Hotel and Restaurant Educators of the Philippines is a bona fide organization of hotel and restaurant educators of the Philippines, founded by Dr. Ignacio Pablo and duly registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission. The Association of Administrators in Hospitality, Hotels and Restaurants Management Educational Institution Incorporated, founded by Dr. Gloria Bacon, is envisioned to be an outstanding organization serving as a vehicle for all schools, offering hotels and restaurants management, tourism, food, technology. The Philippines Association of Conventions, Exhibitions, Organizations and Suppliers, Philippines Association of Conand Exhibition Industry, it plays a significant role in is the voice of the country through conventions, trade fairs and special events. The movement of Incentive Travel Executive was organized on August 29, 30, 1991 by the Tourism Promotion Board, formerly Philippines Convention and Visitors Corporation. The Philippine Tour Operations Association is an organization for operators and allied members actively involved in the advocacy of responsible tourism founded on June 12, 1986. It registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission as a non-stock and non-profit organization. Membership include travel agencies, airlines, hotels, resorts, transportation companies, handicraft stores, and other tourism-oriented establishments and associations.